morning guys, andito na tayo sa train station ng Samarkand. It's currently 6:30. Kailangan na nating bumalik ng Tashkent and then bukas goodbye Uzbekistan. Mukhang sarado pa nga yung, yung train station. Papakita ko sa inyo ano nakikita. So Samarkand, Voskal, Samarkand. Yan. Sarado pa guys, pero ang lamig ng umaga dito sa Samarkand. Tayo nakakapag-withdraw. Yung problema ng mga debit card ko dito sa Samarkand Bank. Lahat kayo ng bangko dito sa Samarkand, may issue ba kayo sa mga debit cards ka? Napansin ko meron dito entrance to the station. Ba't kaya hindi pinadadaanan yan kung ilalim underground? Kasi mukhang nagpapapasok na sila. Siguro pasok na din ako para makapag-breakfast tayo kahit kape lang, no? Pasok na tayo dito sa train station. Galing dito yon ang scanning, tapos 6, ayun 703 tapos yung may open close parenthesis na I. Yan, yung pang-apat dito. Yeah. So, ano na tayo? Dito na tayo sa market. Kasi ang dami palang coffee shop dito compared sa Tashkent. Merong coffee. Sarado pa yung Samarkand ng Lari. Lavasa. Yeah. My coffee. Yeah. Barista. Ay, kala ko trend na. Coffee cappuccino. Ano kaya kainin natin? Coffee shop. Doon na tayo sa kabila siguro. Dito na lang sa may coffee. Sarado pa yung mga ibang shops guys. Aga pa naman kasi alas 7 pa lang. Kaya naman meron naman bangko. Try natin dito. Ito iba naman to, Trust Bank. Try kaya natin. Guys, talagang wala talaga. Malabo talaga siya. Ano kayang problema? Anyway, sana naman gumana siya sa Tashkent guys. Kasi anong pambabayad natin? Diba? Wake up coffee. Dito na kaya tayo sa wake up coffee. Parang maganda to. Talagang wake up tayo. Pili muna tayo guys. Pili ako ng cappuccino. Then donut. Gusto ko sana yung yung chocolate plus ang binigay ng strawberry kasi sabi niya ito daw fresh. Pero parang hindi din. Parang matigas guys. Pero galing sa rep, no? Kaya sabang nakaupo ako dito, bago tayo minom, ganda oh. Stained glass. Kita mo? Ay no? Ay ganyan sila. Galing. Oh, tignan mo yung chandelier nila. Talagang classic. Vintage. Ayun yung stained glass na isa. Yung stained glass pa na isang kabila doon, pero hindi pa fully na nasisinagan ng araw. May mga naghahantay na rin sa labas. Kapwa pasahero ko ba itong mga to? Yan. Diba? Wala na naman akong mic guys Sensya na. Hayot Bank. Hayot ka. Hayot Bank. Question pala natatandaan niyo yung tinuro ko na bakit merong underground. Ano kayang gamit ng bike and dilim. Ito pala purpose nun. Ang toilet nasa baba. At the same time, yung pabalik ng Tashkent na tren, same yung kung anong ginawa natin sa Tashkent, nandun sa other side. So ito yung daan na yun. Daan papunta sa kabilang side. Ay lang. So it's already 7:52. Yan, buka tayo. Tumakas ulit yung adrenaline natin. Ayan, minidikit lang pala yung tren. Ayan guys, ha. So 16 to. 20 na kagad? Galing. Sa pinaka, halos nasa pinakaunahan pala tayo guys. Ayun yung pinaka muso ng tren, no? 17, ayun ka. So nandito tayo. 17. Guys, ano ko muna, ha? Bitbitin ko lang tong tong tren ko. Yung tren ko yung bagahe ko. Okay. Goodbye, Samarkand. Dito na tayo sa train station. (12:30), medyo late lang ng konti pero okay naman. Guys, hindi talaga gumagana yung card ko kahit dito sa Uzbekistan, sa Tashkent. Anong nangyayari? Capital Bank na to. Bakit kaya? Try lang ulit natin. Pero baka may kailangan baguhin. Ito sa labas. Ano muna ako? Papapick up muna ako. Magbubook ako. Hi guys, update lang, no? Waiting na tayo for our room. It's 1:20. Sabi 10 minutes pa daw. Medyo kinabahan ako kanina kasi binaba ako dito sa side. Yan. Kung makikita mo, nakalagay backpackers. So, nung pinasok ko, sabi ko, ba't iba naman? Kasi ang ano natin is Grand Horizon. So, may tinanungan ako pero mafi English, no? So, nagbaka sakali ako kasi tama naman yung street pero hindi ko mahanap bakit doon ako binaba, backpackers. Pagkita ko, yan yung daanan sa backpackers. Ito ang entrance sa Grand Horizon. So I think isang ano lang siya, property, pero iba-iba ang operator. Yeah. Nakakaba, slight. Is nandito na tayo, naka-check-in na tayo. Medyo maaga ng onte, 1:30. Kasi available na yung room, no? Budget hotel. Pwede na, maliit. So ito yung entrance. Yes. Tapos ito na, yung kama na. Tapos may desk, may TV. Then compared dun sa unang hotel natin sa Tashkent, at least ito merong bintana. Pero rekta na kagad sa labas. Pero okay na rin. Ganda na din. For a price of 90 dirhams. Yeah. Okay na. Yan may prayer mat din for Muslims. Tapos may cabinet. Tapos may AC. Medyo gusut-gusutan tong bedsheet ko. Mga namang naman to. Bagong palit. No? So kakain muna tayo guys. Balikan ko kayo pag yung gagala na tayo guys. Ha? Okay, yun lang. Bye.
Ayun na nga guys, no? Andito na tayo ngayon sa Tashkent TV Tower. Isa ito sa mga sikat na tourist attractions dito sa Uzbekistan. May taas ito ng 375 meters. Kaya ito ang pinakamataas na struktura sa buong Central Asia. Sinimulan itong itayo noong 1978 at opisyal na binuksan noong 1985 during the Soviet Union. Ang pangunahing purpose nito ay para sa pagbo-broadcast ng TV at radyo sa malaking bahagi ng bansa. At hanggang ngayon ay isa pa rin ito sa pinakamahalagang landmark ng Uzbekistan. At mas espesyal ang gala natin ngayon dahil kasama natin ang aking pinakamabait na Uzbek friend para i-explore ang Tashkent TV Tower at ang viewing deck nito nakita ang halos buong Tashkent. Kaya guys, let's go!
This is Australia. This is Poland.
Austria.
Austria. I want to go there also. Czech Republic. This is,
I have nice beer.
huh?
Nice beer.
Nice beer. Hi, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, Korea.
I went here.
This is,
Korean one.
you used to work here?
Not work. I went there.
You went there.
I went there.
How much there?
Oh, expensive, man.
Where's the tower, Taiwan 101? Taipei. Let's go. Okay. Were they taking video of the aircon? It's a tower also? Huh?
I don't know.
Madrasa Hotel Uzbekistan. What is this? This is the one I went.
Yeah.
The Ulugbek.
Timur.
Yes, they're there. But the one Amir Timur in
Samarkand?
Samarkand, he's sitting in the throne.
Oh.
The one I sent to you. Wow. Man, this is nice. Michael Jackson. Why? Wax Museum. Man, we still have this one.
Yeah. I had this one.
The big one.
The
This?
second one. The second one. Yeah.
This?
Yeah. No.
This?
Yeah.
Maybe there's Betamax also. Souvenir. Man, you know, I pay 100,000 for a souvenir, man.
Where? In Samarkand?
Yeah.
That's okay, man. At least.
That's okay?
Yeah, of course.
One fridge magnet and one coin purse.
A little expensive, I think. Oh, here's the elevator.
Okay? You don't want to see Michael Jackson?
Alright, let's go. Who is that one?
This is...
Celine Dion?
No. I don't know. Why Michael Jackson is sad? Where's love? Aywa. This is go straight to the top one? With this kind of wall, you know it's old.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. This is free?
No, man.
Ayan na nga guys, pagkatapos nating bisitahin ang Tashkent TV Tower, dumaan naman tayo dito sa Beshkozon, nakatabi lang ng TV Tower. Isa ito sa pinakasikat na restaurant sa Tashkent at kilala sa napakalaking kuzon o giant cauldron kung saan niluluto ang authentic Uzbek plov. Unfortunately, napadami ang kain namin ng kaibigan ko bago pa kami pumunta rito, kaya mukhang hindi na kami makakatikim ng sikat nilang plov. Anyway, nakota naman tayo sa plov guys dito sa Uzbekistan, no? Pero silipin pa rin natin kung ano ang itsura ng isang pinakasikat na restaurant dito sa Uzbekistan. Let's go!
So it's not only one company. It's like not only one restaurant.
The whole beach was on this time was closed now until midnight. See?
Before, no?
Before, no, man. This time closed.
Because business is growing.
Yeah.
Which is good, bro.
Of course, man.
Yeah. More tourists, more businesses, more profit, more work.
Yep.
I'll
I'll take a picture of you at that.
But we will not order, yeah? That's enough. They don't know that I'm not going to eat, right?
Yeah.
It's a nice ambience also, but they don't serve alcohol, right?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
The Sweden is also good. The waiters.
Sorry. See, look at this, man. You and me can go inside.
Man, it's all finished, you see, from the morning.
Yeah.
This one, all empty. There's still,
How many kilos?
and I think 500 to 1,000, something like that. Too much. Too much.
But this is only one restaurant or different restaurant?
No, all one restaurant. You see? Here we go. The small
These are small ones. Yeah.
So, lamp meat. Good thing in this restaurant you can come inside and like watch how they work.
Yeah.
Other place you will not be able.
Yeah, I see that. Now they're, I think it's, yeah, I think they're, oh, look at the oil.
Yep. It's different style. You see? It's brown rice. This is white.
I think this is what we ate. Yeah.
Oh, the smell is very good. My God.
Yeah, we ate a lot. So. What? That's the biggest one.
Yeah.
If someone get mad at me, I can cook it.
Very big one.
Somsa. This is the thing I was not able to eat, the somsa. But at least I eat some. Your local shawarma, your local pizza. What's that?
The bread, the pepper. This what is it? Pomegranate?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pomegranate.
This one is for break, for food.
Yeah, I get man. It's for food.
The dried chili,
I like this one too much. This is
pickles.
marinated pickles in tomato sauce.
Yeah, this is garlic
Yeah, it's garlic. With this whiskey is amazing, man.
with whiskey.
Oh, amazing.
But this is different restaurants or one restaurant?
Just only one restaurant.
One restaurant.
One restaurant. Yeah.
The restaurant is Besh Koson. What Besh Koson means?
Five cans. Where you what does it? Oh, this one. Where you cook it, the black one.
That is pan.
It's pan.
Big pan.
5 big pans. It's a base also. 5 pans.
So Besh is 5.
5. Base.
Koson is the pan.
Yeah,
Okay. This is somsa.
Yeah, but this is a very little one. The big one.
This is the one I think they're putting it in the,
It's like
yeah.
yeah.
It'll be like this.
Very full man inside. Very full.
They put water.
Yeah.
Man. This is culture.
Yeah. They work since early morning because you have to cook cloth at least 3 hours.
Yeah. They're still cooking.
Still cooking.
Assalamualaikum.
Thousands of kg cloth going every day.
Yeah.
Thousands. You can imagine. Many people coming here and many people just ordering.
Yeah, true.
Just ordering in a plastic bag here.
8 o'clock, yeah? I no, 11.
Oh, 10 or 11
Yeah.
start. Now it's not crowded.
Mm.
But man, 12, 1 o'clock.
The peak time.
Oh my God.
But I think they improve also.
Man, they improved actually.
Yeah.
Before, they didn't have this kind of seats, man. Only inside. Now, they
See?
build this one.
It's almost
Yeah, because of the customers. Yeah, it's a good decision actually. Very nice. Yeah, our people very warm welcome. You see?
it is. Yeah.
Good experience for you.
It is, of course.
I'm glad.
Yeah. Like I'm I'm hitting 2 stones.
Yep.
No, hitting
Eating what?
hitting 2 things in 1 stone.
Yeah.
We met you.
We met, yeah.
I met you. Yeah.
And then
Uzbekistan. Yes, yeah. Can you imagine if I come here without you? So just visiting the Uzbekistan.
It should be fine also as well, but
Yeah, it is.
I think you will not be able to with Yandex. Yandex go. Who will teach you?
No, this one is easy, bro.
Easy.
Yeah, Yandex is easy.
Ito na nga guys, kailangan na munang magpaalam ng aking kaibigan dahil may kailangan pa siyang asikasuhin. Pero at least after 12 years, nagkita ulit kami ng personal ng pinakamabait kong Uzbek friend. At ngayon, itutuloy naman natin ang ating gala dito sa Tashkent. At pupunta na tayo sa Tashkent City Park. Kaya guys, sulitin natin ang huling araw natin dito sa Uzbekistan. Let's go!
Where? This guy? Oh, okay, bro.
Hey.
Take care, bro. See you, bro. Huh? Bye-bye.
Take care. I'll
Okay.
call you, huh?
Yeah. Punta ako dito sa Tashkent City Park. Ang lakas BGC ang neto, ang approach neto. Okay. And down. Wala. Puro nandito ata yung mga mamahaling mga hotels. Yan, Marriott, Hilton. Hindi kita Hilton. Yan, iba't iba. Tapos, compared dun sa mga ibang parks, parang mas maraming establishments dito, kainan. At nakikita ko parang meron silang meron silang fountain show. May tumatakbo pa. Ito ang modern Tashkent, guys. Kaya lang nahuli na tayo sa fountain show. Feeling ko naman meron pa yan. Hindi pa pwedeng isa lang yung fountain na show. Guys, chinay ko sa Google, meron pa raw 8:30 na fountain na show. So balik tayo mamaya. It's currently 7:45. Kanina pala guys, makwento ko lang habang nag-aantay kami ng friend ko. Habang naantay ko siyang mag-yosi. Diba? May nagtanong sa amin, babae. Sabi niya, kung may bayad daw ba yung tower. Sabi namin 100,000 som. Tapos, tinanong namin siya taga saan siya. Sabi niya taga Bahrain daw. So sabi ko, ilang araw kayo dito sa Uzbekistan? 5 days lang daw. Sabi ko, pero gusto daw nila pumunta ng Samarkand. Kaso kamo, hindi daw sila makabook ng tren. Sabi ko, sa app, pwede kang mag-book sa app. So pinakita ko yung app. Pinakita ko yung app na ginagamit ko. Mamaya flash ko rin dyan sa inyo guys para at least may idea kayo kung anong app yun. So sabi ko, pinakita ko, let's say bukas kay Alice, meron. So yun, in mall. Ito lang kaya ang mall dito. Sige, try natin tong Park in Mall kung anong meron dito. Kasi understandable naman yung pinuntahan nating mall doon sa Samarkand. Siyempre may pagka-probinsya pa rin. Unlike dito talaga yung pinaka capital city, no? So probably kaya ginawa din nila tong mall na to or itong city park na to kasi nga talagang nag-evolve talaga tong bansang to, Uzbekistan. Malaki talaga ang nag-improve itong bansang to in a span of 4 to 5 years, sabi ng kaibigan ko, which is kitang-kita naman. Nakakamiss tong Uzbekistan. Maganda talaga siya guys. Hanggat hindi pa ganun ka-boom yung tourism, punta na kayo guys. Kasi unti-unti na talaga. Ang bilis ng paglago ng turismo sa Uzbekistan. Tapos habang mura pa. Wow, look at the flag. Guys, modern na mall siya, no? Pero mukhang bagong gawa pa lang. Marami pang empty spaces. Kunti na lang naman. Yeah. And security pa. Outdoor tennis na may fiberglass within the mall. Yeah, galing. Ayun, no? Tennis sila. Aha, ito. Ito na ba ang Tashkent City Mall? Mukha nga. Ito mukhang mas matindi itong Tashkent City Mall. Parang mas premium pa to. Pero kabilaan sila. Park in Mall dito. Yeah. Tapos Tashkent City Mall. Naku. Na-intimidate pa naman ako pag ganitong mga kagagandang mall. Kaya yan. Isang hoarding nila yung artwork ni Van Gogh. Ang galing. Oh, ang ganda. Ito yung ceiling. Oh. Ganda. Modern na modern. Then yung mga hoarding Van Gogh artwork. Yeah. Mga car show ata dito. Yan. Or Ferrari. Ay, wow. Ferrari tayo dito. Then puro Ferrari. Ay, ito mga bagay sa akin ta. Yan, itong turistang to, pati mall, ano, binibidyo ko. Kasi first time natin nakakita ng ganitong mall sa Tashkent, guys. Hindi ko sure kung may iba pa bang mall. Guys, hindi ko iisa-isahin yung mga ano, yung mga boutique. Baka gabi na hindi pa tayo tapos. Tsaka, syempre, at least may idea lang kayo. Ay, may Harry Potter. Harry Potter platform 9 3/4. Yun. Pasok tayo. Konti lang din siya. Yeah. Hufflepuff. Gryffindor. Slytherin. Voldemort, parang Voldemort, kumusta ka na? Yeah. Dumbledore. Wow, kabisado. Ay, bakit na pinuntog mo yung ulo mo dyan, Harry Potter? Pop Mart, may Pop Mart. Pero mahal yan. So parang dito more on pambata. Timberland. Vans, North Face. Si Nina Reina. Ay, cute. Nina Reina. Basta tayo, guys. Medyo dumidilim na rin. Ha? Ngayon pa lang nagsisimulang dumilim 8:15. Dito ulit tayo sa, wow, punuan. Kaya ba natin? Yung pati manikin nakikisama sa ikot. O, diba?
At ayan na nga guys, ginabi na naman tayo. Dito na muna natin tatapusin ang ating adventure sa araw na ito. Pero, huwag kayong bibitiw dahil sa part 2 ng final episode ng ating Uzbekistan series, manunood pa tayo ng napakagandang water fountain show, i-explore pa natin ang capital city ng Tashkent sa gabi, at samahan nyo rin ako hanggang sa ating pag-alis sa kanilang airport kinabukasan. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsama at suporta. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-comment at mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat, ingat kayo palagi at magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na episode. God bless everyone.